for more?
Living for more? For me, living for more should be everyone's mantra. I believe it should be everyone's inspiration every day to live for more. Kasi we were all born for it. Diba? We were all born to live for more. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para magmukhang kawawa. Diba? Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para mapagkaitan. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para hindi ma-enjoy ang buhay. Because life offers a lot of endless and limitless surprises and possibilities every day. At ipinangako yan ng Diyos sa atin. Diba? Na hindi tayo, kaya ang laki-laki ng ginawa ng Diyos sa atin ng mundo at napakaganda ng mga creations ng Panginoon. So bakit natin i-deprive yung sarili natin to live for more, to experience more, to enjoy more? Kasi that's what life is all about. Diba? Ipinanganak tayo hindi para magmukhang kawawa at diferente. Ipinanganak tayo para ma-enjoy ang lahat ng pwede nating yakapin ng magagandang biyaya.
Ganda, Vice. Now, as we close this segment, Vice, napakaraming tao ngayon nandito sa World Trade Center sa Pasay City. Iba sa kanila, malayo pang pinanggalingan. But they're very excited to welcome you as the new member of the Santee Barley family. Anong mensahe mo sa kanilang lahat?
I love you too so much. Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to you, sir, and to the entire Santee family. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your wonderful family. I am just so proud to be here today and to be with all of you. I'm so proud to say na, at last, part na ako ng Santee family. And I am very proud of all of you. I am very proud of all of you. The first time that I was able to talk to him, we talked about the kind of people na bahagi ng pamilyang ito. And I was just overwhelmed to know that Santee family is a family of breadwinners. Diba? Napakarami sa inyo. Alam kong ginagawa niyo lahat ng ginagawa ninyo ngayon, hindi lang para sa mga sarili ninyo. Dahil ang pangarap ninyo, hindi lang naman pangarap para sa mga sarili ninyo. Pangarap nyo yan para sa buong pamilya ninyo at sa mga taong mahal na mahal ninyo. And I know all of you are working very hard to achieve your biggest dreams, not just for yourselves, but for the family that you have, for your most loved ones. Diba? Kaya I am very proud of you at ipagpalain kayo ng Panginoon at naway lahat tayo makaranas ng magandang buhay na deserve natin, na maa-achieve natin mula sa pagpapala ng Diyos at sa hard work na ginagawa ninyo at sa oportunidad na meron tayong hinaharap araw-araw. We are very proud of you. More power. God bless you. At magkita-kita tayo sa finals ng masasaya at mas masagana.
There you have it! Again, congratulations to the Santee Barley family. Siguro tayo sa gitna for quick photos, no? Vice?